portable. So the Golf Zero. Golf 59 here, it's all 4, but all 4 pounds. Northamptonshire Ron, the Kashota reference, Golf 006. Ron, thanks for the call. 73 and Happy New Year.
You on the band again? Tell me, where are you at the moment? You're about 20 over here. Plus the kitchen sink, nice to hear you, guys.
Okay, so what was the name?
Yeah, sorry, the name's Chris. Charlie Hotel Radio, Italy Sugar.
Okay, Chris, no good with names. Chris, nice to hear you. Yeah, all 4, but all 4 pounds, Chris, in Northamptonshire. And the Kashota reference, Golf 006. It's very windy here, Chris. What's it like there?
Well, it's been terrible overnight and in this morning, but it's calming down a bit now, Gary, by the looks of it. I'm on duty this evening. I'm working nights at the local container pool, so I'm hoping that it drops off and we can get some work done rather than sitting about all night. I've had enough of that this week, go ahead.
I know what you mean, Chris. Well, yeah, it's been very windy and wet. It's dried up now, the sun is shining, but it's still quite windy. To take down the delta, it was working 20 metres, but very gusty. So I took down the delta loop. Chris, thanks for the call. Hope you had a great Christmas. Wish you Happy New Year. Mike 5 Lima, Radio Oscar, CX4 KPT Portable. Happy New Year.
Yeah, okay, Gary, cheers. Nice to meet you on the air again. Very Happy New Year to you, all the best, and keep up the good work. 73s, bye-bye.
73, Chris, thank you. Golf X-ray 4 Kilo, Papa Tango Portable. CQ on 40 metre, CQ, Golf X-ray 4 Kilo, Papa Tango Portable, CQ.
Golf 0, Mike Radio Radio.
Golf 0, Mike Radio Radio, you're 59, good afternoon.
Good afternoon to you also. You're 59 plus 10. 59 plus 10 into Trowbridge, Wiltshire. Trowbridge, Wiltshire. Name here is Chris. Over.
Okay, Chris, thanks for the nice report. You're 59 also. It's all 4 pounds at all 4 in Northamptonshire. You can show to reference Golf 006, Chris. G0 Mike Radio Radio, CX4 KPC Portable. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year to you also. GX4 KPT Portable. From Golf 0 Mike Radio Radio. I'm actually doing a video here. It's going to go onto YouTube for the Noise Away, the HBI Noise Away modular. Would you have any objections to me placing this transmission? Over.
No, Chris, fine, no problem, Chris. I shall look for it on YouTube. Chris, many thanks and no problem with YouTube, Chris. Nice to work you on 40. WH today, Chris, has been very, very windy and wet, but it's not so blustery now, Chris, and the sun is shining. Chris, a pleasure, and look forward to the YouTube video. G0 Mike Radio Radio, Chris, G4 KPC Portable. Happy New Year.
A GX4 KPT stroke portable Golf 0 Mike Radio Radio. Fine business. It's dry here at the moment, but has been very windy and rainy. I'm running here 85 watts through an FT890. It's an internal antenna in the roof space. It's a stealth antenna inside the roof space. Won't hold it any longer. Thanks very much for the QSO, and we'll meet you further down. All the very best to you, GX4 KPT stroke portable from Golf 0 Mike Radio Radio.
Okay, Chris, and many thanks, and 73, Happy New Year. Golf X-ray 4 Kilo, Papa Tango Portable. Echo Bravo 3, Whiskey Hotel, you're 57. Okay, Echo Bravo 3, Whiskey Hotel, thank you, money. Happy New Year, thank you, Germany, X-ray 4 Kilo, Papa Tango Portable. Yes, Golf X-ray 4, Mike. Okay, great, many thanks for the Jason's crew, Victor X5 or 7, it's a ring.
The HBI Noise Away is remarkably good. It's a little expensive, but you get what you pay for. It has made a significant difference to my setup.